Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you spring bath ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Friends, I will show up beautiful and simple spring bath decoration ideas. Spring is the season of flowers, fresh colors, and new beginnings. A handmade bath is a lovely way to decorate your home for spring. First, take a bath base. You can choose a foam ring, wire ring, or even cardboard circle. Next, wrap the base with ribbon, fabric, or jute rope. This will give the bath soft and neat look. Now it's time to decorate the bath. Add colorful artificial flowers like rose, daisy, tulips. Place the flowers on one side of the bath to create your natural design. And then viewers, you can also add green leaves. The bath look fresh and lively. For extra beauty, glue small decoration like butterfly beads or small bow. Another lovely idea is to add felt flowers or small fabric flower. These handmade details make the bath unique. And friends, Allah Hafiz.